What's up YouTube, Jeff back from Sammy Guru here, and today we got another very exciting Samsung video for you guys. I am running the latest build of One UI 8 on my Galaxy S25 Ultra International version, and this is actually a stable build because the Z has been taken out of the build number. If you know, you know. That means that this is actually on the stable track, and so we're going to see stable for the S25 very, very soon. Now, there's been tons of changes in this build to Now Brief. Some things that we saw before have made a return. A lot of very interesting stuff. We're going to look at this today. You've got a new size widget for Now Brief. You've got Read Your Now Brief Aloud, which you can now do on the lock screen. We've got some new features in Now Brief that you can add different types of content. Very interesting stuff. We're going to get into all that. Before we get started, I do want to remind you guys, make sure you check out the website, sammyguru.com, covering the latest Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials, and reviews. The Mystery Box program, if you're in the US, you can tap on the orange banner, get our Mystery Box page here, tap on the phone you're interested in, sign up on Laylo, which is our text message and email message service for the mystery boxes, put in your phone number, email, or both. You get a free case, screen protector, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand, a bunch of other random goodies from us for free. We cover shipping costs and all that. All you have to do is use our affiliate link to order. That's how we fund the program, and also get some extra revenue for the website to make more videos like this. If you guys want to check it out, it's in the pinned comment and the description below. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the build number first. Let's go into software update. Let's go download and install here. You guys can see the build I'm running here. This build is, like I said, on the stable track. It ends in BYFB with the July 1st security patch, and it's still June 26th. How cool is that? I'm living in the future in terms of the security patch here, which is always very nice. But that's not what we're here to talk about today. We're here to talk about the Now Brief today. You guys may know that previously in One UI 7, the Now Brief just had this tiny little pill-shaped widget. Well, now you can expand it, get the Now Brief icon, a little more information on your message there. That's been added with this One UI 8 build. Now, that's not where the fun stops for Now Brief. If you go in here, you can also now, this was present in an earlier build, and I also talked about this in a video like a month or two ago when I was running. I've been running these early builds since they've been available. Tap on this little thing up here. You see this little bubble at the top. This is a little speech thing.
Sunny afternoon.
Starts reading it.
Have a special day. Severe weather
Here's
alert.
The cool thing. If you go to the lock screen now, you'll actually see it down here on the Now bar. And if you expand it, look at this. You get this really cool Now Brief icon, which is massive. Of course, you can pause your Now Brief. It's reading everything out. It's 170 degrees in Phoenix. It's very hot. You also have this new adaptive clock. I'm going to make another video on this, so stay tuned if you haven't yet. It'll either be on my channel or the Sammy Guru channel. You guys see Do Not Disturb is also on the Now bar on the lock screen. That's been in there for a couple of builds. You can also see, you get the Now Brief with the background, the icon up here in your live notifications as well. Next, if we go into the Now Brief inside here for Galaxy I, and we scroll down to the Now Brief, you guys will notice under content to include, you now have some new stuff, including you've got the ability to add parking spot reminders. You can now add all YouTube videos, not just shorts. You used to be only to get shorts in there. You've got the wearable battery alerts. You've got all kinds of stuff in here. Smart home, they've added tons of content. They just keep adding to this. Now, I wasn't sold on the Now Brief necessarily when it first came out, but it really has evolved and gotten a lot better since One UI 7 was in beta. And now the amount of content in here is starting to really bring in a lot of useful stuff. So definitely parking spot reminders, I would use that. And I do like having YouTube full long form videos. If you go down here at the very bottom, let me pause the reading. I do love the reading feature, by the way. Down here, you'll see, check out these YouTube videos. This used to say, check out these YouTube shorts. Now they probably realized maybe a lot of people didn't want shorts recommendations here, because shorts are something that, like, you know, you just flip through when you're in the YouTube or TikTok app, kind of mindlessly do it. These are curated based on your own history. I was looking up some videos on summer wardrobe, like outfits like linen shirts for men. So it's recommending this. I watch a lot of sports card content because I collect sports cards, Pokemon cards. And so that's being recommended to me as well. So it's definitely getting a lot better at curating this information, and they're adding more information for you here and now giving the ability to have it read out loud, which is the Bixby voice that you've chosen, I guess, reading this out loud to you. Plus you now have this 2x2 widget, which I think looks a lot better next to my weather widget right here. Of course, they did a great job of redesigning the weather widget as well in One UI 8. Anyway, I'm very excited about these changes to Now Brief. There's quite a few other little things in this new build, But this does look like a stable build, so you should be seeing it very soon. Of course, we know One UI 8 is going to launch in stable with the Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7 next month at Unpacked on July 9th, and you guys can reserve with us right now and get an exclusive One UI 8 wallpaper edition. It's a launch edition wallpaper pack by our writer, that Josh guy. I'll drop the link below if you want to claim that pack. All you have to do to reserve with Samsung is basically just put in your email to register interest, and we'll send you the free wallpaper pack. It's very cool. I previewed another video, and I'll link that below as well. If you want to get into the mystery box program, again, sign up at the link below to check that out. Let me know what you guys think about these now brief changes. I think the read aloud is probably my favorite. You do have to press this X to get it to go away, or it'll keep reading it every time. I don't know if that should be the default, but I really do like that feature and some of the other content they've added to the aggregator. Hopefully it will really start to become what it was supposed to be, which is a great way to get personalized content recommendations and information about your day. Anyway, thanks for checking out the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.